Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with the latest update on Hurricane Delta. The latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center issued at 1 p.m. shows that Delta has weakened further and is now a strong Category 2 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 110 miles per hour. Another point of interest is that we now have seen the turn towards the north-northeast. So we will see that turn continue to take place towards the northeast as the storm is forecast to track into southwest Louisiana this evening, central Louisiana tonight, and should be in northeast Louisiana by morning. Having said that, let's show you the latest forecast. This from the 10 a.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center, and it kind of breaks down the locations. Really, the forecast hasn't changed that much since yesterday, as we are still looking at it moving close to Alexandria shortly after midnight, close to I-20 near Monroe at about sunrise tomorrow. And then it moves into Mississippi during the afternoon Saturday. And of course, this is close enough to bring some impacts, especially over the south and eastern sections of the area. So let's show you the latest here with Futurecast and show you the timing of when the rain is going to increase. As you can see, the heaviest of the rain's increasing here this evening over northwest Louisiana. It looks like Shreveport's going to be on the edge of some of the heavier rain. So we could see actually, it's very difficult to pinpoint exactly how much we could see. Some models showing amounts less than an inch, other models showing more than 3 inches, because we're kind of on the edge, again, of that main rain shield the way it looks right now. And you can see by morning, the heaviest rain more than likely will have already shifted well north and east into Arkansas and northern Mississippi. We will begin with some showers left over Saturday morning. That activity will lift off and move off towards the east, and probably will close tomorrow with some sunshine and a bit warmer temperatures, upper 70s, low 80s for daytime highs for your Saturday. Now, as far as the rain, this is what we're looking at. And again, don't zero too much on location, because you can see Shreveport right on that gradient. You can see this model showing Shreveport over 3 inches, but Marshall less than a tenth. All right, that's the kind of gradient we could see. Definitely looking at amounts less than an inch over northeast Texas, most of southwest Arkansas and McCurtain County. But also notice further to the southeast, closer to the track, we could be looking at those totals in the 3 to 5 inch range. Futurecast showing the amounts that will be heavier further to the east here in northeast Louisiana, where we could be looking at amounts that exceed 8, maybe even 9 inches over, again, areas to the east of our area. But again, it looks like we could see enough rain over the south and eastern sections of the area to bring us a threat for some flash flooding. You can see the flash flood watch, which is in effect for basically Sabine, Natchitoches, Red River, Bienville, and Claiborne parishes in our area. Again, the worst of the rain will probably begin this evening and then begin to taper off later on tonight. Now let's talk wind. And it looks like we are looking at sustained winds that will be basically approaching 40 miles per hour or more across the southern sections of the area in Sabine and Natchitoches parishes. That's where we could see sustained winds that exceed 40 miles per hour. But more areas could see gusts that exceed 40 miles per hour. Here's one model's depiction of the potential gusts, and you can see the peak will be from basically 9 p.m. this evening to about 3 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then we'll see the wind begin to die down. Probably we'll see gusts stay below 40 miles per hour in Shreveport, maybe 30 miles per hour possible in Texarkana. But again, the strongest wind gusts will be in Sabine and Natchitoches parishes, closer to the center of Delta, as well as perhaps parts of Bienville Parish during the nighttime hours tonight. And of course, wind like that could result in some power outages. I don't expect to see the number of power outages that we experienced, obviously, with Hurricane Laura, as this storm is not going to be as strong, and it is taking a track that is a little bit further to the east. All right, so that's the latest on Delta. A quick look at your 7-day forecast shows that we will see a warm-up once the clouds depart. Sunday, sunshine returns. We approach 90 for the high. Pretty much the same story for Monday. Cold front will move through the area Monday night. It's pretty much back to normal for the middle part of the work week, and then a second surge of cooler air could move into the region Thursday night, cooling us into the 70s for highs for Friday. So again, Hurricane Delta expected to make landfall late this afternoon, early this evening over the southwest coast of Louisiana, and then move across central and northeast Louisiana during the nighttime hours tonight.